welcome to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. It's been a while, hasn't it? It's snowing. This is the day I was going to start my seeds for my spring garden, but it doesn't snow like this much around here, so we're just enjoying it. Hey, I owe you an explanation of where I've been for the past 9 months while I haven't been making videos. All my subscribers, I'm so grateful for you all, and yeah, it's been a tough year, one of the worst years of my life actually. The year started out and I was diagnosed with some physical ailments and had to get on some new medications, that I'd never taken before, and they just zapped my energy. So right in the middle of the spring garden, when everything was going, yeah, I didn't have any energy. And so my garden out here, which I'm not going to show you right now because it's in shambles, kind of just went wild. Then we had a pretty rough hurricane come through and knock our fences over. Hurricane Beryl was a pretty good wrecker of my garden. It pushed this tree over a little bit. I had to set it back up, and I think it's going to make it, my apricot tree. But you can see I haven't pruned it this year, and it needs to be brought down by half. Yeah, there were other things that happened as well. It's just not been a good year, let me leave it at that. But I am coming back, and this is my first video of coming back. Wanted to show you that, yeah, we got some snow here. We've been upgraded to zone 9B instead of 9A, so that happens from time to time. So it's supposed to be hotter here. I'm going to start my seeds now in the middle of January, a little bit late in January actually. And we're aiming for the first or second week of March to get our seedlings out in the garden. But as you can see, winters here have been really weird for the past 5 years. Very extreme freezes. I mean, obviously we got 3-4 inches of snow on the ground. Winters have been weird here lately, so I might wait a little bit. I might delay and put my seedlings in the ground in mid-March instead of the 1st of March. Certainly that would be wise if we get some late freezes. But yeah, what we're going to do, I'm going to be planting tomatoes and peppers. I'm going to try squash again this year. We're going to be working on these apple trees out here and these stone fruit trees. I'm going to show you how to prune those. I'm going to show you how to prune a fig tree. We're going to do some air layering, and we're going to do some grafting. Got a lot planned for the coming season, and I'm glad to be back. And hey, I just wanted to give you a short video to say I'm still alive, I'm still here. The channel will go on, and thank you for joining me. Thanks for joining us. If you like our content, I mean, people have been watching my older content and still subscribing to my channel, so I thank you. If you find our content useful, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time when we sow some seeds. Take care, happy gardening, and I'm going inside now because I'm cold.